Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Here's your weekly dose of inspiration to build a creative habit, one drawing at a time. Brought to you by Sketchbook School. Hey, what's up? Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Today I want to tackle something that a lot of people struggle with, and that's perspective. Drawing perspective seems very hard. You need rulers for it, and then you need to erase all the straight lines that you drew. No. It's not about that. I will make you understand in just a few minutes about a vanishing point, horizon line, and the eye level. It's important to understand it, to know the theory, but once you know it, you need to forget it again, so you can just draw and be free. Okay, what I'm drawing here just looks like a simple triangle. But what if you add lines that grow closer to each other towards the triangle's top? Now suddenly you might see train tracks instead. And in no time you have actually created depth and perspective already to your drawing. Now, that train track vanishes into the distance. There, the vanishing point. And the vanishing point is at the horizon. That horizon line is always at the height of the eye level. Let me just add some trees along those tracks. When I draw another taller triangle, the horizon line is higher. So the eye level is higher. It's as seen from above. That's why this is called the bird's eye view. With a wider triangle, you can create the view on the train tracks with a much lower horizon. The eye level, the point of view, is lower, and that's why it's called the worm's eye view. See, there's that bird from the bird's eye view drawing. There you go, a quick explanation of a principle that is important, but also you don't see the horizon line often when you are drawing on location. So it's good to know in the back of your head, but just use it as a rule of thumb, just so you know that how you can draw certain things in proportion to each other, and that way you will improve on your perspective drawing. I hope you liked it and that you will try it in your own drawings. And next week, I will give you another tip around this same topic, perspective. So stay tuned. And if you aren't subscribed yet to this channel, please do so you don't miss out on my Draw Tip Tuesdays. I'll see you next week.